Nós vamos no It's Tough to be a Bug. É uma atração que tem aqui, é tipo um teatrinho, é um show que tem 3D, é bem bacana. Vamos lá, vou tentar mostrar para vocês um pouco dele. Ao redor da árvore da vida tem vários animais esculpidos assim nela, ó. Rinoceronte, um elefante. Se você for olhando, você acha vários animais esculpidos nela. Olha essa cobra. Ó o jacaré.
Everyone's favorite man, lick.
Over here. Way over. Way over. A little more. A little more. This. Yes. Perfect. Oh, and hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, Okay, thanks, Isabella. You're done now. Huh? Yeah, thank you. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. Welcome him now. He's up, he's ready, and he's off. And he's ruining our set. We have other shows to do.
I am a lean, mean, defensive machine. I am the Terminator.
You couldn't hurt a flea.
Oh no. I detect more in
Clear.
No way! You'll never catch me!
She's gonna blow!
Blow! Who's gonna blow?
Lay off the churros, will ya? Oh, I made an honorary bout.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends, get this loser out of my sight.
Hey,
Bring in the evidence.
for burning little things. See ya. Hey, little fella. Where should you be? That's right. Good bite. Good little bite.
Your attention, please.